Hello viewers, today I tell you some important miscellaneous facts about English writers which may be important or valuable for you. So let's start. You know about John Keats. Quotes are subjective in nature. Once Shelley said about him that Keats was one of the inheritors of unfulfilled renown. Shelley travelled from heaven to earth in his poems, and while Keats earth to heaven. The story of Isabella is taken from Boccaccio's work. Keats' incomplete work is Ode to Maria. The other title of the poem Isabella is The Pot of Basil. He dedicated his poem Endymion to his most fast friend Leigh Hunt. Gratian Urn is John Keats' Sylvian historian. Once he said, "There is providence even in the fall of sparrow." A Movable Feast, written by Hemingway, which was published posthumously, is full of account of his early parish days. The Revolt of Islam has 12 cantos and the original title is Lone and Sitna. He wrote his tales from Shakespeare at the suggestion of Godwin. Shelley has been endowed his all work with organic sensibility. Lone and Sitna expresses Shelley's revolutionary political views. H.S. wrote Prometheus Bound and Shelley wrote Prometheus Unbound. The writer of Praise of Chimney Sweepers is Charles Lamb. His second series of Essay of Elia was published in 1833. Wordsworth, Leigh Hunt, Coleridge were educated at Christ Hospital School, London. But Lamb was not the student of that school. He described Coleridge as an archangel and a little damaged. Lamb's dream children is a reverie and dream wife was Alice Winterton. Her name occurs several times in this essay. Tennyson's Ulysses is a dramatic monologue. It is full of blank verse based on the Homer's Odyssey and Dante's Inferno. Maud is a poetic collection of Tennyson's abounds in Hamilton soliloquies. The plan of Arthurian stories has influenced the composition of Tennyson's idylls. Pericles was a great Athenian statesman. He received the Chancellor's Prize in the year 1827. So friends, that's all for today. Hope this information may help you a lot. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.